Here's how you fold your bed. Now, here the two bench will become one queen size foldable bed. Now, all we have to do is grab the bottom, lift it up, and gently let it down. We will do the same thing with the other side. Lift it up and let it down. Now, once they're together like this, all you're going to do, lift up both of them at the same time and push them together. And this will make a very spacious queen bed size for you to enjoy. How do we put them back up? All you're going to do, again, lift one side. Once it's up, just grab the back with your other hand, pull and push with the other one, and you're going to see as easy as this, it went back to place. Let's do it together again. Hold, lift, pull, and push.